In this video, we're going to show you how to install the exterior door handle on your Nissan Murano, located on the rear door. Now with the rear door open, you're going to go ahead and locate this little rubber cap. You can use a flathead pocket screwdriver or a trim tool. You want to get in here and pop this cover off. Now if you look right inside, you can find a T30 Torx bit screw. You can use your T30 Torx bit and go in there, and we want to loosen this. And go ahead and loosen the screw. Now it is a capture screw, meaning it will not fall out. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my Torx bit on here. Now with that on there, I want to go ahead and grab the thumb portion here, and we need to basically just kind of wiggle this screw out a little bit, because that screw is pretty much just still resting inside of this. Now I'm using a magnet here, and that pulls the screw out and away. And here is the thumb portion, and right here is the screw hole. Go ahead and pull that off. Now with that thumb portion removed, we can now remove the door handle itself. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull it backward. I'm going to give this a little bump. There it is. Pull it out and then pivot this out here. This end here actually engages into the actuator inside a little pivot unit. Now on the door, there's going to be two gaskets here and here. You do want to make sure that those are in good condition. And it's always good practice to go ahead and clean right around there before you install your new door handle. I'm going to go ahead and take your handle. I'm going to feed this in, pivot around, push that in. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull it forward, snap it into place. With that in place, we can now install the thumb piece. Make sure that the screw hole is facing out and line that up. Now we'll go ahead and bring this out and install our screw. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start the screw by hand. And then pop our ratchet on there. And we're going to gently snug that down. And then don't forget to pop that rubber cap on. At this point here, the process for the passenger side is the same. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.